Okay, for the outside video, I am going to do it horizontally because, well, you'll see. So this is the front door now going out, which this used to be completely closed in. It was disgusting. Smell, dogs. There was a dog bed right here. That was basically a piece of plywood with some carpet over it. This is where the dogs would lay. So we got a lot of work to do out here on this house, but we're gonna power wash this baby. Then we're gonna lime wash the brick. Then we are going to paint all of the exterior and new light fixture. I'm going to revamp that door right there. It's got a really nice stained glass feature on the inside, but the whole outside and the hardware is going to have to be addressed. New shutters. I'm going to custom make some cedar shutters for all the windows. We are working with Isaiah to see what we can do about the cedar here. I don't know if we can bring it back to its stained glory, and if not, we'll have to paint them. Again, all of this will be painted. We got a little bit of work to do right here. We missed that when the guys were here doing the roof because they had to replace all of this fascia here and the nailers behind it because of mold. That was because of that horrible horrible construction job, or that horrible add-on. I'm gonna come out here and so you can see the new roof, which is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. You can actually see the front of the house now. These windows will have shutters. We're going to, I gotta watch my step here. We are going to trim those bushes down, shape them up. That is a rose bush, and I'm going to get a trellis and put that rose bush up. But all of this, you couldn't even see the house over here because all of this area was covered in poison ivy, and everybody here has gotten a little touch of it. One of the roofers, poor thing, he definitely got his share. So anyway, you can now see the outside of the front house, or the front of the house. Oop, from outside I was walking backwards, sorry. And it's gonna be so cute because up in that gable there, I'm gonna have a cedar, little block of cedar as a feature there with the cedar shutters. Hopefully the cedar posts. Well, we will have the post. I just don't know if they're gonna look like they're gonna be cedar or if they're gonna be a different color. Anyway, new shutters throughout. Some landscaping out here, a little path out to the driveway, new driveways coming. It's just a really great house now. We cleared out all of this. You couldn't even see this yard. There was a fence around it. We took that down. I think we're gonna put one right in one area, but I won't tell you about that yet. We got some fence work to do over here, but we've cleaned this property up quite a bit on the outside. We were going to take that shed off the property because we thought that it was kind of dilapidated and oops, no. Anyway, I think what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna paint it and fix it up and just leave it right where it is. And if they want to use it, they can use it and fix it up themselves. But I mean, it's not too bad, but I think it would probably fall apart if we tried to move it. So we're gonna leave it. Anyway, all of this is gone. Thank you, thank you. We are going to cut these posts that are left. We're going to cut those about 36 inches high, and we're going to make a back porch area right here. And again, I'm going to use AI to design it, but there will be steps coming down here to a parking place for 2 vehicles right here, right by that Vitex and underneath that tree. that will come off of the driveway here. So we'll have parking, and then you can go into the back door. Obviously you can go in the side door, and then there's parking all around. So anyway, this is we've got that tent up so you can't see the whole thing, but you get the idea. We have been busy. This is our third roll-off dumpster, and I've got to call the guy and get a new one dropped off today because we've still got a little bit more demo. We've also done a lot of work on the barn. We had to dig out the dirt from beside the barn there, and now we got to scoop out this little hump just so we can make sure the water doesn't cause any more damage to the bottom there. Got one little place we need to address, but anyway, that's it for the outside there. There's my fearless husband. Say hi. Going to maintain the fence line. So, and then we're going to take this feature off of these shutters here. But these are the shutters that I'm going to make for the entire house, or for all of the front-facing windows. And we're gonna fix up this door here, new door hardware, new light fixtures. We had to address some issues here with this chimney and had to replace some hardy there. This is something that we did ourselves. Then we caulked up the sides here. This house is was not built very well, but we're gonna hide and clean up the stuff that we can. We'll probably just use some Bondo right there. Steve can Bondo that little hole, and that will never be seen. We'll have gutters that will start on the side of the chimney, go around, go down the house that way, and then the gutters will start here and obviously go around all around the house. This house never had gutters, so we're gonna fix that. All right, that is it for now. Hope you enjoyed the little tours. Oh, yes. No, get in here. Back to work. I've got 4 gallons of hydrogen peroxide and a little steamer here, and I'm about to treat the concrete and hopefully get the remaining bit of smell out of here that we can. There was mold in the air conditioner. We discovered that today. We had mold in 2 other parts of the house, so hopefully the hydrogen peroxide on the concrete will kill any of the mycotoxins that may still be lingering around. I know myself, I have broken out in a rash and went to the doctor yesterday. And I'm taking medication for that. My husband has a rash. One of our workers also got a rash. Might be a little poison ivy, but according to the doctor, it's probably more fungal, or what's the other thing she's treating me for? I don't know. Anyway, but that's it as I ramble on.